Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to apply for leave in ERPCA. In Manage Leaves page, click on Apply Leaves button. Apply Leave pop-up box will display. Fill the detail of leaves dates. Select Leave Type option and write Leave Remark. Click on Submit button. Leave request application will submitted successfully. Now we will see latest leave requested dates are shown under Pending Leaves on Manage Leaves page. Here, from Action button, we can withdraw or cancel our leave request application also. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.